I tried Mcgiftgiftcardmallcom review app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They assume gift card apps are just for quick purchases, but Mcgift claims to offer deals, secure purchases, and easy tracking of multiple gift cards. I spent a full week testing its features. On day 1, I registered and explored the dashboard. The app shows available gift cards, current discounts, and usage history. Most people skip the history section, but it's invaluable for keeping track of spending and remaining balances. By day 3, I purchased a small gift card to test the delivery process. You won't believe what happens next. The card arrived instantly with a fully verified code. The surprising truth is how seamless and secure the process is compared to many other gift card platforms. By day 5, I explored price deals. Most people get this wrong by checking only one retailer, but Mcgift compares multiple stores, showing which cards offer discounts or bonus credits. I saved 10% on a card I had been planning to buy full price. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. Mcgiftgiftcardmallcom review app is more than a purchase platform. It's a tool for smart, secure gift card shopping. Most people underestimate how much time and money can be saved using the right app. If you want convenience, savings, and security in gift card purchases, Mcgift is worth trying. The shocking truth: not all gift card apps are created equal. Some can actually enhance your shopping experience.